and welcome to the IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to utilize bad pixel removal in IDQ Pro. Bad pixel removal is a common pre-processing step for hyperspectral datasets to remove pixels that are noisy or have other artifacts. One way to do this is to use a median filter to smooth the data and identify pixels that are more than a certain distance from the median. To start, you'll go to Edit and select Bad Pixel Removal. In the dialog box here, you'll enter the median average value, n, that will perform n by n. The default value is 3. Next, you'll enter the median absolute deviation, or MAD, for each pixel using the median function. The algorithm identifies bad pixels as those that are more than m MADs from the median. The default value is 5. The completion of the algorithm will be notified with a message box. For this example, we'll focus on the line that's here. If you wanted to do it again, instead of 5, maybe put 3. You'll notice that the line becomes actually more prominent. You can continue to utilize this function, and if you decide that you don't want it anymore, you can click the reset button. But be sure to note that when you click the reset button, it returns to the original dataset.